how you came to us, what was your situation, how back pain was affecting not only your daily activities, but your relationships and your emotions. How were you feeling, and where are you now?
So when I started in the program, I didn't have anything left in me. I didn't know what I was going to do. I had tried going to physical therapy with 2 different physical therapists. That seemed to make everything worse because they were forcing me to go through a lot of exercises my back just wasn't ready for. That's what I realize now. It just wasn't ready for those things. At that point, I stopped working. I couldn't work. I was like, I don't know how to function. I couldn't go bowling. I was walking, but not really walking. I couldn't drive. I was scared with where my life was going to go. I had to rely on my friends, my boyfriend to help me get through a lot of things. So my boyfriend would drive me places if I had to go places. Another thing that I tried was like chiropractic work. It didn't seem to work. I tried, it was like a needling process. That didn't work either. I had met up with another doctor who was a spine specialist, and she had ordered an MRI, and I had 2 months to wait for the MRI. And I'm like, I can't wait 2 months. And I was flipping through TikTok as I do. And the only thing that I really could do at the time was play on my phone and watch videos because the most comfortable position was laying on my stomach. And I feel like I spent better half of at least 3 or 4 months just laying on my stomach because I didn't know what to do. And when I came across Dr. Jeff's video, I was like, oh, this is interesting. And he started giving like little tips and this and that. And so I looked in the comments and I found out that he could give a 30-minute consult. And I said, well, I don't really know if this is legitimate or not, but a 30-minute consult for free with someone that could potentially help me, what's it going to cost me? Because I've already tried so many other avenues. I talked to him for 30 minutes, and his positivity and the way that it just seemed like he knew everything that was happening to me. Like he knew how I felt. And so at that point, I was like, you know what? I'm going to give this a shot. And it literally has been baby steps from day one. The first 28 days, you're relearning how to move again, basically, how to open a door, how to sit down, how to stand up, how to wash dishes, how to vacuum. Coach Nick does the live videos on Facebook. You can ask questions. Right now I'm meeting with my coach, and I can meet with you like once a month, or sometimes it's twice a month. Facebook is once a week. There were times in the middle of the night where I'd be in pain and I would just send a message to WhatsApp, and someone would get back to me within a few hours, sometimes even shorter than that. And it was just really relieving to figure that out, to know that like there were other people out there going through it at the same time. There were things that I learned from the Facebook community that's out there too. I couldn't figure out how to sleep, and it's ultimately what best is going to work for you, what is going to get you the sleep. But you pick up little tips here and there from people that have been through it and people that are going through it, and it helps you figure out your own way. Now I'm doing things that I don't think I would have done a year ago. Now, like the last couple of weeks, I went bowling for the first time, and I couldn't do that all of last year. I went because I was the president of the league. I collected money and I talked with people, but at that time I ultimately didn't want to be there because I was in pain, but I went because it was something for me to do. And now I can go and actually participate. I was surprised, but I can now do it. And then I said, well, you know what? I'm going to go out and try kayaking now. And I was able to do that too. In the beginning, I was only able to walk like, very few steps. I literally walked just around the house to do errands. And now I'm walking 7-8 miles a day at work and a couple of miles at night with my dog. And my back just feels good. I had to make the commitment though to go through the program, because if I didn't stick to what I needed to stick to, my exercises, the diet, it all pieces itself together The second I made the commitment to change my diet, I started noticing some inflammation going down. I started noticing that pain levels were going down. The second I increased my hydration levels, that also started to make me feel better. And then just gradually doing the exercises made me, I could see the progress. I was like, okay, I was here like a week ago. Now I'm here, maybe doing something else. But the thing that's the best thing is that the program works with your own body. So your body will tell you when you're ready, and your coaches will help you know when you're ready as well. I should be 10 or 11 weeks ahead of where I am right now in the program. It doesn't bother me because I'm going to get there eventually. I've seen enough progress to know that it's working. So going at my own pace is the thing it's really helped me the most. It's going through all my physical therapy in the beginning, and they were trying to push me. It wasn't working. But this program and the timing and how it all fits together, it's been an absolute blessing.
Thank you so much for those amazing comments. What would you tell to people going through the same situation or a similar situation, and they may be thinking, wow, this is an online program?
It's online, but it works. There's so much more communication this way than there is with like a regular doctor you would go see in person anyway. Our video calls really help. It's not like you can't see me in person. We've done exercises where you've watched me do my exercises. You've helped me. You guys have given me tips. You've let me know that things look good. You're not going to get that by trying to see a doctor. My physical therapist gave me exercises to do, but ultimately I wasn't getting anywhere. So there wasn't anything for them to see. And the Facebook community, I mean, just knowing that there's so many other people out there going through it, that also helps, because you're like, I'm not alone. Like, this program may be online, but there's so much more communication this way. That's part of what makes the experience better.
This is great. Anything else you would like to add?
Be patient. You just have to be patient. I've been in the program for a year, and I didn't know what I was going to do a year ago. And sometimes you're hoping for the quick fix and the fast results, and your back needs time. It just needs time. You get the patience, you take the time, you'll get there. And your friends and family, they're going to be there as your support system. Unfortunately, like, it's one of those things where you want the instant gratification, but just wait, because sometimes the better things come when you wait. You will get there, and you'll know. Just take the little wins. Take the little wins as they come. And when you start piecing them all together, you can realize, wow, this is how far I've come, and it's worth it.
Thank you so much.